quite a good number of investors. I call them investors, not farmers anymore. A good number of investors have not yet gone into agriculture or have the idea, have the skills, but they have not gone into agriculture. How? Because in their thought, they think getting into agriculture is having a big size of land. In our topic today, I want to touch more on small plot farming and earning big out of that small plot farming. The approach is doing small and making a profit out of that small. And I'll be concentrating on what I'm doing, that is cabbage farming, and other parts that I'm doing. I usually do dania and other crops. And over time, I've seen big profit in that small plot farming. As a farmer, think of starting somewhere, starting small and growing the business to where now you think a farmer is supposed to be, because majority of the farmers think that you need to be onion farmer, you need to be tomato farmer, you need to do 5 acres, you need to do 10 acres, you need to do 50 acres. But it's not supposed to be that way. You're supposed to start where you are with what you have. For example, take the farm I usually do dania. And dania is among the crop that gives me good money. In a plot of 1 meter by 20 meters, it usually fetches, in a low market, I fetch around 2,000. The lowest I've fetched is 1,500 Kenyan shillings, and the highest I've fetched is 5,000. And the cost of investment in that one plot, 2 plots I usually buy half a kg of seeds, plant them in 2 plots, that is 2 plots of 20 meters. That means 1 plot I'm doing 250 grams. This one half a kg seeds, hybrid, usually goes for 700 shillings. And all you need in dania is just irrigation. So you see, with 2,000, you can be able to invest in dania farming, and within 1 month, you have over 5,000 shillings out of the 2,000 that you've invested. It's more than, it's even 10,000 shillings, because in half a kg 2 plots, I can make comfortably 5,000 shillings within a month. So if you can subdivide your farm into small portion and do different crops, you are going to make good money out of it. That's why I'm saying it's small plot and making or earning good money out of it. In this plot, the section that I've done, like I've always been telling you, farming is a game of numbers. Make sure that you have correct numbers. Make sure that you have enough numbers, not many numbers, enough numbers, and you can be able to tell a story of your numbers. In this section, I've done 3,000, though it's around 3,100 stems of cabbages. And I'm looking forward to nurture and to take care of each and every seedlings to develop into her head. So very soon, in 75 days, we already 1 week old, we will be counting 3,000 heads of cabbage. Go to the market, check your nearest market, how much cabbage is selling as we speak. Even if that time it won't be selling as much, we can even sell it at 30 shillings. 30 shillings time is 30,000 heads, you're making good money, which is around 90,000 shillings. And out of these, the cost of investment is very low. You don't need to go to the hybrid varieties. Like the hybrid that I did here is around 2,000 shillings. You can go even for 500 shillings cabbage sachet, which is open OPV, the Copenhagen varieties, and they're going to give you good returns. So approach it in doing it small and apply the magic of growing the best out of that small area that you're doing. From there, you learn the culture, you are able to get the concept, and you grow to be the bigger farmer that you want to be. Because in everything that you see today, everything great that you admire, once it was started small. You cannot start from above, and if you start from big there, sometimes agriculture becomes frustrating when you come with a big investment without have learned the concept. And the concept is how to grow, how the market flows, and also how the season flows. So don't be discouraged because you have less capital. Don't be discouraged because you have a small size of land. Don't be discouraged because you have no land. Go get a land, start small, and start farming. Even in your 8 to 5 job, you can do crops that doesn't require much of your attention. Among the crop is dania farming, which is among the most consumed herb as we speak. Everybody, when cooking, they cook with dania. So go for dania that you can irrigate before you leave for your job or after you come for your job. And also you can send somebody to do the weeding or to do your irrigation for you, and it's done correctly. Then after you learn the concept and you realize farming can give you that you're doing, go for farming and do it full time like I usually do, and it's going to pay you. Hope you've learned something from our today's discussion. Hope you've changed your mentality. Hope you changed your mindset, and now you're ready to get into farming with the concept of small plots, big honey. Bye.